In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily scan documents on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, and you don't need to install some applications to do that. And let me show you how you can easily scan documents using your iPhone. So for that, I'll use the Notes application, and here I can create new note or use the existing one I'll create. To create, I tap on that icon, and here to scan document, I'll test on that one. I need to tap here on camera icon, and here select, you see, scan documents right there. And now I can scan some documents like that. Phone makes photo by itself. And now that photo was stored right here. I can tap on that. I can do some actions with that photo. First, I can retake if it's some issues, some problems. Maybe I can see exactly what the text is here. I can retake it, and also I can crop this photo if I want, just using that things. Cancel. I can apply here some filter like grayscale, black and white, photo if I wish, and also I can rotate this image. And now when I'm done, I just tap here done, and I can now continue scanning documents like it may be some book. Let me show you. The photo was taken, and now it was saved like that page. Pretty good, I think. And now I also can interact with that image by the same way, and when I'm done, just tap done. And now here I see save button. Now I can save both of that scanned documents at once. Just tap save button, and here I see all my scanned documents, and there I can write anything like I regularly do in my note. And when I'm done, I just tap done, and this note was successfully saved right here. And if you tap on that, now you can share the scanned documents. Just tap here on share button, and you can, for example, save that documents to files. Just tap on save to files and confirm that action. So that's how it works. It's very simple and easy. I hope you like it. So before you go, please like and subscribe.